Following the chipmaker's hopeful forecast of an AI-driven sales boom, Broadcom, AVGO, shares saw a sharp increase, propelling tech stocks to higher levels on Friday morning. The tech-focused Nasdaq Composite, ICSIC, increased by 0.5%, while the S&P 500, GSPC, gained 0.3%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI, stayed mostly unchanged in the meantime. After its executives predicted a 65% increase in AI-related sales, Broadcom's stock rose more than 19%, significantly exceeding market expectations and boosting investor confidence. The positive outlook caused semiconductor stocks to rise more broadly. While leading AI chip manufacturers AMD, and NVIDIA, NVDA, reported more modest gains, Marvell Technology, MRVL, saw a gain of more than 5%. The Nasdaq was well positioned for a strong weekly performance thanks to these gains. The index closed above the 20,000 mark for the first time earlier in the week, setting a new high. This week, tech stocks have led markets, but the Dow has trailed behind due to a persistent decline in United Health, UNH, stock prices. Following the untimely death of the CEO of United Healthcare, the healthcare behemoth's stock has fallen more than 15% in the last week. The insurance sector is still dealing with the consequences of the event. Expectations for another rate cut by the Federal Reserve next week have been strengthened by recent economic data. But if inflation remains high, the Fed may decide to take a more cautious approach in 2024. With stocks like Marvell, AMD, and NVIDIA riding the optimism, the semiconductor industry has been revitalized by Broadcom's remarkable AI-driven forecast. The market recovered on Friday after plunging during the previous session due to uncertainty surrounding the Fed's ability to cut rates at its next meeting due to persistent inflation. According to Stacey Rasgon, an analyst at Bernstein, Broadcom's performance was decent, and she attributed its success to stronger AI revenue. But it was CEO Hock Tan's audacious predictions that really grabbed investors' attention. During a Thursday night investor call, Tan said, "We see our opportunity over the next 3 years in AI is massive," which bolstered optimism about the company's prospects.